Because I am traveling to England and France, and because different countries have different outlets, as a result, I went ahead and bought an Apple World Travel Adapter Kit so that way I can charge my phone and my Apple Watch while I'm over there. However, I also had to solve a brief problem first because this standard Apple USB-C power adapter is not compatible with different countries. And I only have 2 power bricks that are compatible with different countries, which is this really powerful MacBook charger, which I don't want to use on my iPhone, my Apple Watch, because that's too powerful. And then I have my old USB-A brick, which, by the way, if you want these to be compatible with different countries, just take these off and you'll be good to go. You can switch them out with adapters from different countries. So I also bought this Apple USB-C 30-watt power adapter so that way I can go ahead and charge my phone and my Apple Watch there. And the reason why I went first party, even though I know third party would be cheaper, is because third party power bricks I know have a tendency to fry people's devices, especially those cheap ones that you can get from Amazon. So I decided to go ahead and go first party, but as you can tell, it's just a Apple USB-C 30-watt power adapter, which comes with some documentation and this. And as you can tell, here she is. Wow, I suck at unboxing these. As you can tell, this is really all there is with the 30-watt power adapter. And there's some more documentation right here, which is just some regulatory information. Alright, so now I've gotten this Apple 30-watt power adapter, which doesn't even have an Apple logo, unboxed, because I have a charger with a USB-C port that's compatible with different countries. Let's go ahead and unbox this Apple World Travel Adapter Kit, which I believe released in 2010, although I have no proof of that. That's just the oldest video I was able to find about this. But as you can tell, it has adapters for North America and Japan, mainland part of China, Korea, Brazil, Australia, New Zealand, continental Europe, and UK, Hong Kong part of China, and Singapore. So let's go ahead and let's unwrap this. And right here, this is going to be a little bit hard to open. Alright, as you can tell, we have the Apple World Travel Adapter Kit manual, which is still wrapped in plastic. Yes, that's how old this is. It's still wrapped in plastic, so let's just go ahead and open this up. Let's see what manual we have going on here. So we just have basic regulatory information and an old-fashioned style Apple manual, because this product is very old. So I'll go ahead and just have some basic regulatory information, so I'll go ahead and put this all back in its very nice plastic bag. As you can tell, we have all the adapters themselves. So right here, this is the one for continental Europe, so I will actually need this one. And then this is the one right here for the United States and Japan, so I'll go ahead and unwrap this one. And then this is the one right here for Korea. And this is the one right here for Brazil. This one right here is, I believe, for China. Which looks almost like a US plug, but not quite. And then this one right here is for Australia. And then this one right here is for Great Britain. And under here, there is literally nothing. So that is really all I have to say about this World Travel Adapter Kit unboxing, other than the fact that if you want to actually put these on, you just put these on like this. And they'll go ahead and slide on. But what do you think about this adapter? Or do you own one? Please comment that down below. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Family, and peace out.